What's up, guys? So today I'm actually getting ready to smoke some pork loin. We're using a little bit of hickory wood, a little bit of sweet preacher seasoning, and we are going to smoke these guys up and have them for supper. We got this particular pork loin from Sam's Club, and we've cut it into 3 pieces, let it soak in some apple juice in the refrigerator overnight, and have got it ready to go here. Dabbing the moisture off of the loin will help the bark to have a better texture when we're done smoking it. So just remove any of that moisture, and then we used olive oil this time around as our binder rather than mustard, because the fat in the oil will actually render down to make this very lean meat a little bit more juicy and have a little bit better flavor to it. Smoke and Fire has a really good pork rub called Sweet Preacher, and that's what we've got going on right now. So we're going to cover all the areas, including the sides, with Sweet Preacher, and then dab a little bit more on top of it just for the extra seasoning. So pork loin, typically it's a little bit of a leaner meat, so I marinated these in apple juice overnight and threw them on the smoker for about 3 hours now, and they're about perfect. So let's take a look at them. About 2.5 to 3 hours is all you really need at 225 degrees on these loins. Now, I've got a video on this particular unit, which is a Masterbuilt propane portable smoker, which I've been using, but these numbers will be the same regardless of what smoker you are using. So about 10 minutes is all that these need to rest, and I just wrapped them in foil here, and then as you can see when I pull it off, the texture looks beautiful. They turned out absolutely delicious, and we ate one for supper and saved some more for later on in the week. But this has been a great pork loin recipe, and for a meat that can get really dry if you're not careful, this one turned out beautiful and tasted delicious.